So you have some of the effects of the Bernoulli's principle. So we have seen that we have these two balloons. When air is blown between these two inflated balloons, the balloons comes closer together. This is because the higher velocity, which is at this very point, of air between the balloons reduces the pressure in between the balloons. So the outside air, this one, the outside air, that is pressure, the outside air pressure, this one. We have the outside air pressure. The same case from this point pushes these two balloons together. So when they pushes the two balloons, they come together. So in that case, the higher the pressure, the higher the pressure, the lower the velocity. The higher the velocity, the higher the pressure, and the vice versa is true. Also, we have another effects where also you have the air which is blown underneath a thin strip of a paper placed in horizontal between the two goods blocks. So in this case, as you can see, if you blow the air inside these two blocks, this paper will sag. This paper will sag inwards. In that case, there is higher pressure, there is higher velocity at this lower region, which creates the lower pressure. So the atmospheric pressure above the paper pushes the paper downwards. So in that case, you see the paper trying to do what? To sag. And also, when air is blown through a tunnel formed in the area marked T, this diagram, it collapses inwards. So this point and this point, they move inwards. They collapses inwards, showing that the pressure outside is more than the one inside. So when air is blown at this very point, it creates what is called the pressure difference. So the pressure inside here becomes very low because of the increased speed in which the air is moving. So the pressure outside here, it pushes this tunnel to move inwards. And those are some of the effects where the Bernoulli's principle trying to applies. So tomorrow we shall be learning about the applications. Where does it apply in the real life situation? So a learner may be given a question, a diagram, the student this one, trying to be able to state and explain. So stating is giving the observation, and explaining, giving the reason of your observation. Why does this is behaving the way you have observed? Thank you.